Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So if this is your first time checking into one of my videos or channel, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that big red button below. Yep, that subscribe button, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just did a new video and you liked this last one. So you might want to check this one out too. Also, right next to it is a little bell. Go ahead and hit that little bell and click that all, because then you'll get every notification that of any kind of content that I put out there. So with that, we're going to jump and dive right into this video. Today, we're bringing you another video on a company called Tranont and their newest product too. The last video was about their Mojo Coffee, and we're going to talk about their Mojo Chocolate today. So for you chocolate lovers and chocolate fans, people who want to get chocolate wasted, this is for you. So what it's about, if you can refer to my last videos, but this is their new product. It's called Mojo Chocolate. I've tried it. I got it. Ordered not a case, but a container of it, and trying it out and giving you my honest review. So what this is supposed to do is actually burns energy. Oh, sorry, boost energy, not burn energy. Oh, boost energy, burns fat, and improves moods. So, for instance, let's talk about this. It's what else? I think that's all we gotta talk about right there. I did another video on what's in it, what does it do. You can go ahead and check that and refer back to that video on my channel. So this is about my review for it, what I think. So overall, I got this case right here. I tried it out, and the smell is actually pretty good. I'll let you guys see it, and I got two bottles. So I'll open a brand new one. Ooh. Real time, right? So yeah, it comes with a scooper. You know what it reminds me of? Nestle Quick. The smell, the texture, and the taste. It actually reminds me of Nestle Quick. And I never did like using Nestle Quick with water. I only like chocolate milk or anything like that with a milk or a cream. So this right here was pretty good. I did when I first did it. I tried it with just milk and to see how it was, and the flavor was good. Like I said, it's like tastes like Nestle Quick, and it was very interesting. So I also did another one the next day. I did a shake. So I created a what was it? Banana, peanut butter, Greek yogurt, and almond milk, and a scoop of that inside of it. It was so good, guys. Like, for a protein shake, it was really good, delicious. I liked the flavor. It was great. I actually had enough for 2 days, so I actually I have some left in my my refrigerator. So I'm looking forward for that tomorrow. But yeah, it was very good. I like the taste overall. The smell is good. Reminds me of Nestle Quick. And as far of what it does, boost energy. I did get a increase of energy after I had it. I actually did some working out, went on my elliptic treadmill incline one that I was able to do that, and that was nice. I was tired, but I actually wasn't like exhausted. So boost energy was good. That was a plus. Burn fat, too soon to tell. I can't say, oh yeah, I burned like 20 pounds of fat right now. No, I don't know. So we'll see. That'll be a ongoing journey, I should say. Improved moods. I'm not really a moody person, so I'm kind of a morning person, so it doesn't bother me in the morning to wake up. But I have noticed that my tolerance has been increased. You know, I don't get irritable or irritated that much with people who I deal with, like people who bug me or anything like that. But yeah. So I can't really say improves moods. I mean, I like the taste, so the taste is good. And who doesn't like chocolate? If you're allergic to chocolate, I know that I have some friends who are allergic to chocolate, so I'm sorry for you. But yeah, so that's my overall, I guess you say, review of this. From a scale of 1 to 5, and going off a star rating, I would give it a 4. Yeah, I mean a 4. I mean the flavor is good. I'm gonna try. I mean, what's cool though is that you can actually do different recipes. That's what's nice. So they actually have a recipe that you can use do brownies with. So that's cool. I'll have my wife try that one. What else? The shakes are nice. I had a friend. She said, "I'm gonna put this in my oatmeal for chocolate oatmeal." I was like, I might try that one. So we'll see how that works. Also, you can actually mix this like a half a scoop or a whole scoop, up to you, with this and some of the coffee, and have like a little mocha. So a Mojo mocha. So yeah, so I'm gonna try that one too and see how it goes. And yeah, so that's my review over this, and I think it's overall a good product. I will keep on bringing you some updates, especially about the burning fat thing. I'm really interested to see how that works because I know a lot of people. I've gained a couple pounds for during this quarantine, and I'm trying to get this off, get back in shape, and try to eat a little bit better, just to help and make sure that I stay around and for my family and my loved ones. So, and for you viewers too, as all. So with that, I want to end this. If you have any questions or concerns, please do me a favor and go ahead and below in the comments, go ahead and post your comments. Any questions you may have, I'll be more than happy to answer them or address them as needed. Or you can give me a call at 925-752-8897. Also, if that's my direct cell phone number. Also, if you are interested in getting this yourself, I will have a link in the description below where you can go and order that for yourself. Go to the website and get you a case to try it yourself. And yeah, so you can have your own results or your own testimony and actually give me some feedback on this. And so we can say, hey, if this is a win or a so I'm always looking for some feedback and see what your own personal results or opinions are about it. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this video. Hope you guys have a great and safe day. And until the next one, guys, be blessed and stay safe. Take care.